Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the 8th lesson, Geometry. Okay. So what is point? Point is a small dot. Okay. And what is line? In that point it has no length or width. Okay. And what is line segment? A line segment is the straight line, straight is the straight path between 2 points. This is line segment. Okay. And line, what is line? A line segment extended endlessly on both sides. So it does not have any beginning or end. This is line. But line segment has an end. Okay. It's a short distance. Okay. What is ray? A ray is a part of a line. It starts at a point and extended endlessly on the one side. Okay. This is ray. Next. Points are denoted by capital letters. A line segment PQ is written as PQ dash. Okay. A line segment XY is written as XY. Line is written as like this. Okay. Line segment only this. There is no arrow marks. A ray AB is written as AB. Rays AB and BA are different. In AB, the ray starts from a point A, whereas BA ray starts from point B. Okay. Fill in the blanks. The dash distance between any 2 points is called line segment. The shortest. A dash has no length or width. Point. A dash starts at a point and extends endlessly on one side. A ray. A line AB is denoted as AB. Understood? Next, practice 1. Join the points to form the line segments. How many line segments can be drawn in each case? How many line segments? 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Name the following. What is this? This is a line. What is this? This is a ray. What is this? This is a line segment. Count and write the number of line segments in each figure. It's a triangle. 3, 4, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understood? Look at these pictures and identify if they are lines, rays or line segments. The sides of a carom board. We have to see the sides of the carom board. What is this? This is a line segment. Light from a lighthouse. Ray. The horizon. Horizon. Line. Sunlight. Ray. Understood? This is about the line segments, point line and ray. Tomorrow we will see the measuring of the line segment. Okay, thank you.